Week 3. Here is Monday's activities. So we're starting with our writing. This week we're going to be identifying rhyming words. So your learning intention, I can rhyme and I can identify rhyming words. We're going to use our nursery rhymes to work on our rhymes. But first let's talk about what a rhyming word is. When we say rhyming word, they are words that have a very similar sound at the ending. Now it's not the same ending sound though. So cat and lit, even though they both end in t, they do not rhyme. But cat, mat, bat, they all rhyme because they have that at sound at the end. These are kind of like our word families. When we say rhyming words, I want you to really think of what they sound like at the end, but not the ending sound. So let's play a few games together. Like cat, fat, bat. Do they rhyme? Yes, because they all end in the at sound. What about pin, tin, mug? There's one word that doesn't belong, and it is mug. Tin and bin both rhyme because they both end in that in sound. But mug ends with ug, and that is not part of the rhyme. Let's try again. Like if I have hop, mop, top. Those three words all rhyme. Now I would like you to please watch the two videos down the bottom. Now you can pause me or you can always finish my video and then come back to it. So the first activity in the first video talks about rhyming words, and the second video is a lot of fun with Jack Hartman singing and saying, I love to rhyme. Have fun with this and then you can come to the next task. So here we go. You are going to, so down the bottom left corner, you can click on this link and it will take you to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, the nursery rhyme. I want you to really listen to the sounds and the words you hear. And then you're going to fill in the missing rhyme words. So twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you So this word rhymes with the last word on the top line. It rhymes with star. Your next word, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the This word will rhyme with high. Then twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you And this word rhymes with star. Have a lot of fun with this. I can't wait to see your work. Let's keep going. Your next task is ushka. For ushka, you've got your Discovering My World. This is a new book and it's an information book. It's not going to be just a story. I'd like you to please click on this picture of Discovering My World and it will take you to ushka. You're logging in and today you're just listening to the story. You can listen to it once. That would be great, but maybe 2 or 3 times would be excellent, just so you can remember the words. And while you're listening, try and find the words they are saying. It will help you read. Have fun with ushka. Let's go to the next task. Now we have spelling. Your spelling words are on, of. Now hear how I didn't say off because that's the next word, off. They look the same. There's one extra F here and that wasn't a mistake. So of is when it's kind of like I am so sick of home learning. You would use of. But off, like can you please get off the couch? You would use O double F. Now we have out, and hour. So lots of O letters sound at the beginning, but some of them don't make O, they make ow. So really pay attention to why. Which ones make ow and why? Read the words, write them in your spelling, in your Nita's handwriting, and have lots of fun practicing and maybe even taking a picture of those words in your mind to remember what letters make them. Once you've done that, you can have a go at playing sight word treasure hunt. And that's the end of spelling. Let's start maths. This week, maths is all about chance. And chance is, what are the chances or how likely something can happen? So we're going to use the words will, might, and won't. They're going to be your 3 buzzwords in maths. Will, might, won't. So will happen for sure. Might happen, maybe, but there's a chance it couldn't or could. And then won't. It definitely won't happen. When we say won't, it means it can never happen. When we say will, it means it's definitely, there's no chance it will not happen. I want you to watch this video. You'll be watching this video every day when it's maths time as a practice for will, might, and won't. So here, chance is how likely something is to happen. Some things will happen. Like if you had a jar of red marbles and there were only red marbles in it, the chance of you picking a red marble from that jar will happen because there's no other color. When you pick one out, it will definitely be a red marble. When it's might, you could do, if it was a jar of red and blue marbles, what are the chances of you getting a red marble now? You might get one because there is a chance you can get blue as well. Here's another example of something that might happen. It might snow this winter. So we can't say for sure that it's definitely going to snow in winter, but it might happen. Okay? There might be a high chance of it snowing, but there could be a chance of it not, so it's a might. Another might happen could be, I might get a blue wren for my work, but you might not. Maybe the teacher will just say, great work, here's a sticker instead of a blue wren. So it might. And then some things that won't happen. When we say won't, it definitely won't happen. So if you've got a dice that has 6 sides, if you roll it, is there any chance of you rolling a 7? No, it definitely won't happen because there's no 7 on the dice. Just like if I said, what are the chances that there's going to be a sheep that is flying in the sky? Can sheep fly? No. So this definitely won't happen. Now let's start our activity. So I've got some events here. What are the chances that pigs will fly? What are the chances that teacher will give a test next week? All of these, I want you to read these with a family member. And then after you've done this, discuss with them, might it happen? So you can put an M for might, or you can write the word might. I think writing it would be better. Might happen, will happen, or won't happen. So you put your answers onto the side. You can do this on a piece of paper. You can do this on your completed work doc and then post it on. Have lots of fun with your work. I can't wait to see it. Remember, if you need help, Mrs. Townsend and Mrs. DeBay are here for you. Have fun, everyone.